The third skill to acquire is business analysis skill. Business skill is a combination of domain knowledge, technical knowledge, use of business analysis tool, and practice of soft skills. Business modeling language is used to document business analysis result. The result will be used throughout the EA development. Developing EA is a complex task and it needs to program manage. Program here is referring to planning, estimation, budget, talent, and communication. These programs are used in the EA development. The mechanism to manage all these programs must be established prior to EA development. As development progresses, plan and strategy is to be revised suitable for the EA. The next skill is about architecting and designing skill. Architecting and designing are two tasks that will find optimal solution to the problem. The problem here is referring to the EA that we are going to build. Basically, this skill is related to define the technical components and structure for EA. Architecting knowledge consists of skill to define EA architecture from various view and viewpoints. Knowledge in architectural pattern and skill is to select the most suitable pattern for the EA. And finally, skill to implement architecture best practices for EA. In EA design, understanding of design pattern, including the type of design pattern, how to use it to solve EA design problem is crucial. Design pattern is a collection of solutions for software design problem. Another skill is to be able to select the suitable design paradigm. For example, either structured approach or object-oriented approach. System designer use tools to define the structure and component of EA. Knowing how to use the design tools will be an advantage to the system engineer. Usually, the design tool will have its own modeling language, such as unified process based on UML. In order to use the tool effectively, the system designer must be proficient in the modeling language. The knowledge of technical framework is another advantage to EA team that contributes to the success of EA. Similar to architecting, designing also has its own set of best practices. The combination of this knowledge will fulfill the maintainability aspect of EA.